We are talking precious metals outlook with CPM Group's Director of Research, Rohit Savant. He's in studio with us today. Rohit, good to have you back on the program.
Thanks for having me.
So let's take a look at the precious metals. Now, gold seems to be off to a pretty good start here in 2016, but it is down 10% from last year. Silver down 12%. How's it looking to you?
We typically tend to see precious metals go up in the first couple of months. The seasonal strength in precious metal demand during this period. So you do tend to see prices go up. We've seen this happen, over the past couple of years. It goes up strongly. Last year, gold went up 1,300 and then went all the way down to 1045. So I wouldn't be surprised to see prices soften, maybe into the later half of this quarter. You've had some price supportive news. You've had the Fed decision made last month. So that's sort of a weight taken off the whole precious metal sector in a way, because there isn't that uncertainty that was holding prices down, as it did all of last year. So in that sense, it's good. We don't see a lot of downside to precious metals from where we are right now, but we don't really see prices going up very strongly either.
Well, Rohit, what about talk when people say, well, gold could go below 1,000 in 2016? We saw a lot of banks forecasting this. Is this also in CPM's cards?
No, we don't actually have gold prices going down that much. We do think the 1045, 1050 levels that we saw last year would probably be the low end of where prices go. You may see a spike down, but we don't really see it staying there for an extended period of time. So below 1,000 is unlikely. Don't really see any reason for it to go down all that much. But yeah, like I said before, we don't really see a strong uptick in any of the precious metal prices.
So which factor will you be eyeing the most, at least in the first half of the year, when looking at gold?
I guess in the first couple of months, you would see some increase in demand maybe from India, because India has, the marriage season is actually pulled forward this year. So you have a lot of marriage dates in February. So, given the relative softness in prices and this increased demand from the marriage season, you might see some uptick in demand from there. You have China's Lunar New Year coming up in February as well. So, maybe this month is probably where you see some of that strength, and then it sort of softens over the remainder of the year.
Rohit, finally, so what's the best bet if you had to choose amongst the precious metals?
This year, I don't really have a clear favorite. I don't think any of them go down much. Gold is probably my favorite, I would say. It has been palladium for the last 2 or 3 years now. But I don't really look at palladium as being very promising this year. Gold looks like the one which really took a beating. And I think investors would start focusing on the factors that would be positive for gold going forward. So.
All right, well, we'll see what's in store for gold. Rohit, thanks so much for stopping by.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching the Kitco Gold Report today. We'll have more for you throughout the week. Thanks for watching.